how y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a great weekend and welcome back to my channel. Before we get this video started today, I would like to thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel. It truly means a lot and I really appreciate it. So, I purchased a Mishimoto Oil Catch Can kit. And instead of boring you guys on how to disassemble the truck to install it, I've already got everything disassembled and installed. And I just want to show you guys how exactly I installed it, because the instructions that Mishimoto gives you doesn't really explain anything in too much detail on how to route your lines. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start up here in the engine bay. After you get your intake and all that stuff taken out, you're going to have your crankcase vent coming out of your valve cover, and then the piece going into the intake. So you're going to have, this is what they're going to be attached to, this hose right here, and they're going to have these metal clamps on it. So these metal clamps, you're going to have to take a pair of dikes or cutters or something, you're going to have to cut them off. Once you get them cut off, you're going to reuse your two fittings, and then you're going to slide your hoses on and tighten them down with those hose clamps. Then you're going to route your hose down in front of the brake booster, down in between the fuse box and the brake booster, down underneath the truck. So it's going to look something like that. You're also going to put your edge guard on here, so that way the hoses don't rub on the body and get a hole in them. And then, so this is where your catch can is going to mount. It's going to come with a bracket. You're going to mount the catch can to your step bar existing bolt hose. Once you get that mounted up, then you're going to mount your catch can. There's going to be 3 Allen bolts that they're going to supply that you're going to mount the catch can to. So over here you got an inlet and an outlet. The inlet is coming off the valve cover. That's where your crankcase pressure is coming into the oil catch can. It's going to catch as much of those vapors as it can, and then it's going to go back out into the intake. So yeah. Alright, so that's a quick down and dirty on how I routed the Mishimoto Oil Catch Can kit. It's pretty easy though. It takes like 45 minutes to an hour. If you guys have any questions about anything that I did or anything that I showed you, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'm pretty good at answering everyone's comments. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And if you guys are looking for a high horsepower build, you know, I plan on getting this truck built by next spring. Looking upwards around 700 horsepower. So I'm excited and I hope you guys are too. If you want to see that, be sure to subscribe. Thanks, and y'all have a good day.